I'm going to try to see if I can dig out this plant here. It's a lemon tree or lime tree, but I have so many of these that have just grown up in the bed themselves, so I don't need it here. I was thinking of just cutting it, but let's see. Oh, oh wow. Oh my gosh. Not as easy as I thought it would be. So what I'm trying to do is get as close to the root as possible. All right, let's try to see how close to the root we can get. Just move all of this from around here. This doesn't belong in here. Nope. Oh my gosh. So I'm digging it. The root is really deep down. It's really deep down. But let's keep going. All right. Let's keep going. Ah. Oh my gosh. This is deep down. All right, let me see if I can pull it now. Oh gosh. Ah. Oh gosh, no. Oh my gosh. This thing has so many thorns. I can't plant and have this in here. Oh my gosh. I think I'll have to go get a cutlass and just take this out, guys. Whew. Let me go get the cutlass and I may just have to cut it, or I can just go get my cutter. So let me go get my cutter and come back. All right, you stay right here, watch it until I get back. Found the cutlass, so we are going to chop it out. Yes, we're gonna chop it. Oh my gosh, I have too much going on above me here too. This one is all in my head. All right, so I have to cut down some of the okras. I'm gonna just throw that over there because everything rots and become a part of the garden, so I can focus on chopping this. Whew. You would not believe it. This thing here that is full of thorns is so difficult to... Let me put it behind this tree and see if that would help. Oh, finally. And not even completely, but look at this. But I'm gonna now cut it. I'm gonna cover it so it will not get a chance to grow.